How to fix Messenger calls not showing up on screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Messenger calls not showing up on screen. Now what this error does is whenever you receive a call in your Messenger, nothing gets displayed, so you can't even pick it up or you can't even, cancel the call. So if that's the case here, the first thing that I recommend you guys do is update your Messenger app to the latest version. For that, head over to your App Store and on your App Store, search for Messenger. After you search for Messenger, simply check if there is an update available. So there we go. If you see an update button instead of open here, simply tap on update and update your app. After that, check if the problem still persists, and if that does not fix your problem, head over to your settings. Now, sometimes you can be getting that error due to your notification not working for Messenger. So head over to notification on your Messenger. So after you're on your Messenger, simply search for Messenger app right here. There we go. And tap on allow notification. After you allow notification, there you should see different options. You can also head over to Messenger notification settings. So let's tap on it and head over there. Now, there you can see a lot of different options. So make sure that you've enabled every one of these. And after that, your problem should get fixed. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.